right, guys, this is it. You've not been waiting for this. It's another, this is what I ate today. And it's going to be all over the place because I'm like transitioning into a new way of eating. And I'm still trying to figure it out. I got that diet book that Adele and who is it? Kelly Osbourne and a bunch of other people have lost a lot of weight on, and I wanted to see what it was all about, and it seemed pretty solid, so I'm adapting it. I'm not following it exactly. I'm adapting it to my lifestyle. So they also give you vegan options in there, so that was a plus. But this morning, we're about to go bike riding. Hi! And I'm having just something to hold me over a little bit. I have a piece of organic, like seeded bread and one slice of the, what is this? Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda. Just so I have something in my stomach. This one, it's really good. I have no idea what we're eating today. So you're going to come on an adventure with us. Did you already eat? Oh, and I had a cup of coffee with oat milk. I thought we were out of meat goods, and then I remembered that I have one in my purse. Ah! Purse snacks, purse bonus. So Mark is also coming on the bike ride. He already had a Cliff Bar. I think it's a chocolate chip one or nut butter one. Oh, yeah.
Just a little something in the stomach.
What is it with the shortage of freaking made goods? I ordered some from Amazon Subscribe and Save, and they're like, we can't get these.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, God bless. So we're all over the place today, but we're going to show you what we're eating. So I'm going to finish this, and then we're going to get on the bikes.
Hello.
We just got back from our bike ride. It was a tough one today, but I did it. I made it up the hill.
Great.
I didn't have to walk my bike, so that was nice. Breakfast time.
Woo!
We usually eat after
exercise.
So I'm having a beautiful Nancy's Probiotic Oat Milk Non-Dairy Yogurt Plain with some Aldi Organic Pumpkin Seed and Flax Granola.
Nice.
This is really nice, and it doesn't have any tree nuts in it, which is really nice because I can't have them.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a lovely little breakfast that I'm going to eat while I do my work on the computer.
Well, I am having oat. No, I'm just kidding.
Psych.
I knew that you guys would probably be bored of me having oatmeal every day, so I changed it up today. I'm having a vegan egg and cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
So I toasted a ciabatta roll.
Legit.
Yeah, it does, right? It looks real.
Mm-hmm.
I've got the BioLife. Is it cheddar?
It's cheddar, yeah.
Okay, which is delicious. I've got the Just Egg all fried up. And when I say fried, I mean like...
Sauteed?
You know.
Cooked in a pan. Yeah.
You guys know what I mean.
Yeah.
And I used some of the magic seasoning salt. I love this seasoning so much.
All Prud'homme.
Yeah. And then I also put the Daya...
Caesar dressing.
Caesar, yeah, creamy Caesar. Which is so... I just put like... I know it's not great for you, but so I just put like a little bit, and I just love that combination.
For flav.
Yeah.
For flav.
So
what do you have for breakfast? A vegan drink? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nut milk, banana, protein powder.
Vegan protein.
Yeah, vegan.
Nice.
The Garden of Life protein powder.
Mm-hmm.
Good for you, Dad.
I see Dad staring at this. I offered to make one for you. No.
Guys, Mark was not vegan. He's still not vegan. But he's making more and more vegan choices, which is nice. So
We stan it.
you know, I'm not a fan of the vegan channels or people who are like, you've got to be vegan or nothing. You know, I think every little bit that you do helps your health and it helps your environment, our animal friends.
Let's just say every little thing you do is magic.
There you go. So every little thing you do is a positive. Don't think about the negatives, just think about the positives. And you'll get it. Chloe says it's snack time.
Oh, Bobby loves watermelon.
Okay, so I'm having some watermelon for snack. Maddie's gonna have it later. I cut this one up yesterday. This is half the watermelon in here. I have another tray in there. So I really got to put a dent in this because it was a little long in the tooth when I cut it up. So got to eat it pretty quickly because I don't want it to go bad. So here's my lunch. I've got last night's leftovers, which was kidney bean mole.
It was really good.
Thank you. I thought so. And I steamed some fresh potatoes, and I took a fresh potato from my Instant Pot and smushed it up, put the mole on top, and topped it off with a little bit of parsley.
Parsley.
What are you having for lunch?
I want to try out these falafel balls.
Yeah, we haven't had these before.
They look really good.
These are baked falafel balls.
Look at this.
Vegan. Nice.
So I'm going to make some of this.
Can you make an extra one for me?
Yes.
So I can try it?
Of course.
Thanks. And you're going to have your...
I'm going to have my Asian chopped salad mix. I love this so much. And this goddess dressing.
That's your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we'll check back for the reveal.
Here it is. I got my salad all made up. I heated up these falafel. I was really lazy, so I just did it in the microwave.
You got a snowball.
I got a little potato here.
You gonna put some Dom DeLuise on that?
Oh, maybe, yeah. That seasoning is good for like anything.
Everything.
Anything and everything. Delish. Okay, not too much.
You're gonna mash it in.
All right.
I tried the falafel and it tastes like a straight up meatball. It's delicious.
Dang. And I had to have a few bites of that mole.
It's so good.
So good.
So gingery. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
It's like ginger snap mole.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Well, I'm gonna go eat and get back to work.
Whoa, looks like dinner time after a very hot live stream.
Oh my god, it was very hot in there.
Yeah.
I'm sweating.
All right, so we got some basmati rice and the rice from the goodness of the rice cooker, and we have a tofu stir fry tonight with broccoli, red onion, bok choy, and a little bit of celery.
What did Sean say?
What did he say?
Something about underpants.
Captain Underpants. Okay. Well, enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. I'm probably going to put some peanuts on this as well.
Oh, we're all having this, by the way. So I'm not going to show like everybody's dish because it's going to be basically looking
all the same.
like that.
What's up?
I got a basket of dessert. So I had one of these for dessert.
Ooh.
Belvita.
Nice. What'd you think?
Delicious. Sean, if I can find what you had. Nope, because you ate them all.
Oh,
You
and
had
we eat the
Nutter
last
Butter.
one. Sean and I split a pack of Nutter Butters, so we each had 2. And they were delicious.
I love this basket.
Yeah, it's a really nice basket.
Our neighbor gave it to us after she moved out.
Oh,
I like it. Just to remind us of her. It's
Yes.
very nice. So, that's it.
That's what we ate today.
I have to come clean. I had a few peanuts before.
I think we'll let it slide.
Okay. But I wanted to be honest. That's what we ate today. My hair is a mess right now.
I realized I didn't have like any snacks today because we're just so busy. I've been doing that lately. I miss my snacks.
Yeah. You never had your watermelon.
No, I'm gonna have to have it tomorrow.
I'm gonna dump this all on you.
No, tired.
That's it. That's what we ate today. Thanks for watching. Yeah. We appreciate you. And until tomorrow, next time, not tomorrow. No. It's too busy. Thank you. Till next time. Much love.